Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to create a music app in MIT App Inventor 2. So now let's see the demo of the app that we are going to learn today to create. So see, click on 19th floor. See, you can hear the music, and then click on June. See, both of the songs are playing together. So it means that you need to put on stop, only then the next song can be able to play, right? And then now I will show you the stop button, I show, then pause button. Like this song is playing, click on pause. Stop button, it will continue from starting. Pause button, if you click on it, then it will start from the same point. See, it starts from the same point, right? So these are the three songs: 19th floor, June, and Cat Chat in the Box, right? So now let's learn how to create this app. Now click on Start New Project and type any project name you want. And then click on OK. It will automatically redirect you to the main screen. Now, after this, we don't need any vertical arrangement in this video, in this screen actually. We don't need any vertical arrangement. So, if you want, you can change the background color in screen 1 only. And then set align horizontal to center and align vertical to center. After that, put one button on the main screen. Set its width to fill parent. Change its text color to 20. Change its text color to 20. And then after doing this, put its background color to magenta. You can put any color you want. Set text color to white. And after this, set the font bold to tick. We don't need to put any name, because when we put the song, according to that we need to put the button name. So for now we don't need to put it. After some time, after put the song, we can change it. And then put one horizontal arrangement on the main screen. Set its background color to blue. Set its width to fill parent and its height to 15%. Now put two buttons in here. Set horizontal arrangement to align horizontal to center, align vertical to center, and dot 15% is big. Then put it height to 10%. Right, and then put this to play, not play, pause, and this to stop. And then it will take a lot of time if we put the button again. Then also horizontal arrangement, just copy paste it. We need to just copy paste it. And then Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V, or Command C and Command V. And then do this one more time, and this is finished. Now check here if it's correct, because sometimes it will like jumble, it will be jumbled up. So instead of this will become button 9, this will become button 1, so it will get confusion. So it need to be like this: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 9. So this is exactly correct. And now we have done all this. After doing this, we need to put songs also, right? So YouTube audio library, type it and then click this link here. And after that, Control F, and here you need to type 19th floor. See, here it is. you can choose any song you want, but let it be less than 5 MB. It cannot even be 5 MB, less than 5 MB, even 4.9. Below 5 MB, any song you can take, hundreds of it, but it should be less than 5 MB. And then I need to download this song, 19th floor. Click on download and see, it is only 4.6 MB, so it will work. And come back here, go to media and put 3 players on the main screen. Click on player 1, source, upload file, 19th floor, put it like from down here and then click on OK. It will take some time to download, but it will download. See, it is downloaded. You can see here also and here also, and the picture above is gone, like the text above. And then but when you button one click, we need to play this song, 19th floor, right? So 19th floor, right? And now after this, we need to put all the songs also. So for next one, I'm going to do June. Here it is, and then going to download it. Right, it's 4.9 MB, so it will still work. And come back to player 2, source, upload file, and put this song right here. The song is downloaded, and then you can put here June. And we are going to do one more song, one last. So the song I am going to put is Cat Chat in a Box, this one. So come back here, go to player 3, click on source, upload file, and then put this song right here, and then wait. See, it is downloaded for player 3. For player 1, it is for player 1 it is 19th floor, player 2 June, and player 3 it is Cat Chat in the Box. And now we are going to change the button 3 text. So I'm going to put Cat Chat in the Box. See, it has come here. Now we have done all the designing. So now let's do the code for this app. Now click on the block button and you will come to this screen. Now when button 1 dot click, and button 1 is this button. We will write it so we don't get confused. So 19th floor BTN. Okay, so as you saw the above written, we cannot start it with the number, so we'll do floor 19 BTN. See, it's come here. Now button 4, we'll do this June BTN. Then last button, button 7, Cat Chat BTN. See, it's finished. And now we will not have any confusion. So when floor 19 BTN dot click, set player 1 dot start. When button 2 dot click, which means the pause button here for the 19th floor, then set player 1 dot pause. and copy and paste this. When button 3 dot click, set backspace this, set but then set player 1 dot stop. See, now for this one we did, and after that we need to do the same thing for player 2 and 3 with their respective buttons and other components. So when June button dot click, set player 2 dot start. When button 5, because as you can see here, we need to correct it or else it will become jumbled up. When button 5 dot click, copy paste this, 5 dot click, set player 2 dot pause, and when button 3 dot click, when button 6 dot click, set player 2 dot stop. See, now we need to do for the last button. So when cat chat button dot click, we will put set player 3 dot start, and for button 8 and button 9, right? So when button 8 dot click, set player 3 dot stop, not stop, but we'll put it here, it will help us, and then pause, and then duplicate this, delete this, and put when button 9 dot click, set player 3 dot stop. Now we have done this much. Now we need to do one more thing, right? So if after one song is finished, and then after that how will the after that the continuation of the song, how will it continue? Second song, like the first song is finished and then the second song should start playing, right? So we need to code for that. Now when player 1 dot completed, set player 2 dot start, and when player 2 dot completed, set player 3 dot start. And one last time, when player 3 dot completed, player 1 dot start. You see the thing? And for the last one, when player 3 dot completed, we need to put player 1 again, right? Or else which song will it play next? So we done this much, and we have created this full app, and this much only we need to do for this app. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you like this video, and stay safe and have a nice day. Bye.